Ohayo gozaimasu. It's day 67 on the Tokai Shizen Hodo. April Fools. Yes, it was the bloody fool today. 20 Ks, 2 mountains, 2 separate mountains, 2 1,000 metre climbs, and only one chance of a bus at the other end at 6:30 tonight. Hopefully. That's what Google says. Google better be right. Okay. Well, we've had a brief shower, and the day promises to be mostly cloudy but fine from now on, so let's get cracking on the Tokai Shizen Hodo. Keep on pushing to the first mountain, mountShishin, Shishin-zan. I was remiss to mention back down there at the start. Whew. Come on, Willie. There's supposed to be a Mount Fuji out there somewhere. Doesn't want to show herself today, or this morning anyway. Awesome. Got him. Mount Shishin. Not that we're peak bagging. Huh? We're not peak bagging, are we? I should know who you are, shouldn't I? If I was up with my Japanese Buddhism and all that. I assume it's Buddhism. Oh, I might be making a whole lot of blues now. Oh. Alright. Picnic areas abound. And camping. And I think, yeah, that's Fuji out there somewhere. Still being a bit shy today. Oh well. These stairs go straight off the edge. I've seen this kind of thing before. Way back in Mir, going into the Valley of Doom. Oh no, these ones look like they're in a bit better condition. Those stairs just vanished. Yamanashi Hill Country certainly is gorgeous. Sun will pass. Drop down into the village of Kamisano. The way things have been going off Shishin-san, drop is probably very appropriate. Ooh, yes. Tokai Shizen Hodo down there. Dropping into a... oh! And there we go. You can see the town down there. The village. The last range to get over before I'm in the skirting the base of Mount Fuji. Oh, these stairs look like a good place to have a sit down. Oh. Not holding up much traffic today. Okay. Ooh. Yamanashi tea country. I think we're in Yamanashi at the moment. We kind of flirt with the Shizuoka-Yamanashi borders around here for a bit. I think the I think the border is actually up there somewhere, probably along the tops of those mountains, which is this afternoon's project, to get up there somehow and over. It's hay fever season. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This one's for you, Wes. Crikeys. All right. This way. Last year's hornet bait. I need some new picnic tables on the old Hodo. Climb to Choja-ga-take begins. I can see the ridge, the Yamanashi Shizuoka Ridge. My other mountains out there somewhere. Got to walk around beneath Shiga-take, and then we've got to find our way over to Choja-ga-take. Still about 500-600 meters of climbing. I wouldn't say its back is broken yet. Bit of a landslide. Go down into that. Oh, I've got a rope. Should hang on to it, just in case. Ooh, everything gives way like that. Oh, jeez. Bit soft, this gravel. But we're across. Yeah. One thing about these, whoa, don't trip over a stick on this point, William. One thing about these Yamanashi mountains, they're very crumbly. Oh well, anyway. We're across it. Yeah, bit dodgy. That little tree there strong. Looks like we've lost our rope over there, so that's a bit more level ground anyway. All right, come here, rope. Oosh. That seems to be okay. At the moment. Don't lean too far one way. Don't lean too far the other way. All right. Okay. Oops. Everything's a bit loose here. Okay. There go the rocks. I see. We haven't lost a rope. It's tied onto a root there. Okay, gotcha. Leaves and gravel, not my favourite things in the world. Okay. I go the room. Whoosh. Face full of sticks. Okay. Oh, but wait, there's more. Okay. You get the idea. I'm going to put the camera away for this one. South Alps out there through the trees. Up the back, white, covered in snow. Meanwhile, another. Ooh. Okay. Yep. All right. See how we go. See you on the other side, hopefully, not down the bottom. Those signs look familiar. Welcome back to Shizuoka. We've made the ridge. Good God, that was an exercise in, I don't know, keeping it together. Oh, so yeah, we're on the Shizuoka Yamanashi border now until we get up to Choja-ga-take, which is about a K away. 100 meters to climb, 130 meters to climb. But look, my friends, who has decided to show herself this afternoon through the trees. Ah, that lifts the spirits. And my spirits were very down there in a washout. What a day. Oof. Oh, you little ripper. Oh, how about that one? How about that one? Tell you what, it took some big balls to climb this mountain today. Whew. Obviously this little fella's done it. Oh yeah, and did I say, we're not peak bagging, okay? This peak nearly bagged me. Put me in a freaking body bag. Yeah. That landslip is dodgy. Well, I just came down from up there, and here we are at the Choja-ga-take trailhead, and yes, the junction of the main course and the Shizuoka bypass, the other end. So you know what that means. We're going back 140 k's to Kurata and doing the Shizuoka bypass before we crawl under the nose of Fuji-san. Alright. What don't kill you make you stronger, right? We'll catch you next time. on the Tokai Shizen Hodo.